Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Media Encoder with Premiere Pro. First, let's understand why Media Encoder is your best friend for exporting. It allows you to continue working on your project in Premiere Pro while your video renders in the background. This saves you valuable time and keeps your creative flow uninterrupted. We'll cover the simple steps to send your sequence over and begin the encoding process efficiently. To begin, open your project in Premiere Pro and select the sequence you wish to export. Navigate to the File menu, then Export, and finally choose Media Encoder Queue. This action will automatically open Adobe Media Encoder and add your selected sequence to its queue. You'll see a new item appear, ready for you to configure its export settings. This seamless integration makes the process straightforward and quick. Once your sequence is in the Media Encoder queue, click on the preset name to open the Export Settings dialog. Here, you can select your desired format, such as H.264 for web video, and choose from various presets like YouTube 1080p Full HD. You can also fine-tune advanced settings like bitrate, frame rate, and audio quality. Finally, specify where your exported file will be saved and give it a clear name before proceeding. With all your settings configured, take a moment to review everything one last time. Ensure your output location is correct and the file name is accurate. When you are ready, simply click the green Start Queue button located at the top right of the Media Encoder panel. The encoding process will then begin, and you can monitor its progress. A typical 5-minute video might take around 10 to 15 minutes to encode, depending on your system and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.